the Air Max 97 in black, white, hyper pink, lime glow. Still available in stores. Heads up though, now 30% off at Nike.com. Today we're looking at different angles, close-ups, and matching outfits on feet, so you get a better idea of how it'll work for you, or if you just love seeing newer styles. Give this a like if it helps, and follow the channel for more Nike shoes. Gotta say, I love how these retro neon colors work so well. Take a look and let me know what you think. That's one of today's colorways for Air Max 97, a visual for those who need it. What do you think of it? Comment below. If it helped, support the channel by giving it a like and subscribe with a bell icon for the latest Nike shoes. Thanks for your support and catch you next time.